for folding. Today, we will teach you how to make a parrot with paper. First, fold and unfold the paper diagonally into half to get the center crease. While forming a tip at the lower corner, fold the right and the left corners inwards to meet at the center crease. Then fold both the middle corners outwards, leaving 1 cm both from the right and the left corners. Again, fold it into half towards left. Now, fold it inside reverse to form the beak of the parrot. Now, paste or draw an eye. See, your parrot is ready to fly. Toothbrush spray. We will paint this apple with a toothbrush. For this activity, we have to take the following steps. Take the stencil and place it on the outline of the apple. Now, dip a toothbrush in red color and spray the color with your forefinger on the stencil. Remove the stencil. A beautiful spray painting is ready. Pencil shave pasting. First, trace the plant and color the picture as shown. Use appropriate pencil colors while coloring. Then apply some glue on the flowers. Now, paste pencil shavings on the glued area. Our picture will look like this once it gets completed.